really nice. Don't just make any noise.
What's this?
Stay like that.
Hey, what are you doing?
Don't make any noise.
What's the meaning of this? What are you... Mr. Man, stop this.
Hey, just stay like that. Stay like this. If you want to leave, stay like this. I am warning you.
Why are you tying us together? What do you mean by if we want to leave?
What's the meaning of this nonsense?
Just do. Listen. Do like I said. If you love yourself, do like I said. And if I leave here, fact.
What's that?
Make sure you remain like this. Don't leave here.
What's wrong with him?
Is that man okay?
But he's a native doctor. Let's do as he said.
No, babe, let's loosen this.
No. Just leave it.
Let's loosen it.
He said if we want to leave, please, I don't want to.
Do you believe this kind of things?
Just let it be. You don't know what he wants us to know about.
Babe, these people they are just fetish people.
You see, he's wearing red and red. Please, please, let's just stay here till he comes back. Please, I beg you. Please. Just stay.
He's okay.
Evans.
No problem. No thanks. Please, let me come back. Excuse me. Why are you like this?
See, don't bother how I'm dressed like this. It is for a reason. See, there is something I want to show you. Don't worry about it.
Don't tell me I've become a native doctor.
No, I am not. This is a disguise. Listen, I have been there is something I want to show you. I want to take you down there and you see it yourself. These suspects, I have been trailing them for some days now. That's the more reason why I wore this thing, so that I will sound convincing. You understand? I will sound convincing to them. See, they are there, stopped and waiting. Let's go, let me show you. There's something I want to show you.
I should follow you.
Follow me. See. Don't waste any time. It's locked already. Don't waste any time. Just follow me. Just go. Come. Just follow me. Follow me. Look over there. Open your eyes. Look.
Is that not
your wife? Look, that is your wife.
what's she doing with that man then?
It is left for you to go and find out. My own job is done here. At least I have tried to let you understand what is going on. So it's left for you to go and find out.
Thank you.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Are we going to wait here
Don't untie
forever?
this thing,
We
I
can't
beg
just wait here forever.
Confident. Excuse me. What are you doing here?
What's going on?
Oh! So, Confident, this is what you have been doing, right?
What did you say? He's what?
Huh? So, this is what you have been doing. Every time you tell me that you are going to market, not knowing that you are going to meet a man. It's okay.
Honey. Honey, I can explain.
Honey, what? What? Okay, explain. What do you want to explain?
Untie this.
What do you want to explain? No. Don't come close to me. Talk, I'm hearing. And what?
What's going on here?
Mr. Man, keep quiet. She's my wife. She didn't tell you.
What? Confidence. You're married?
She didn't tell you that she's married.
Sir, she didn't tell me. She didn't tell me. Confidence. Why? Why didn't you tell me you're married?
As we reconnected back after so many years, I still feel the same way about you. So I know that if I had told you, you would have said you don't want to have anything to do with a married woman. So I hid it from you. I still love you.
She's my ex.
Your ex?
Yes. We met like 2 months ago. We just had a chance encounter.
2 months ago. No wonder. I can remember last month. You told me that you were going to your father's house. Right? And you spent 4 days. And I called your father. Your father said that I never see you.
Hey.
Yeah.
Confidence, why will you do a thing like this?
Confidence,
this kind of thing can put me in trouble.
I still love
you. You are in trouble already.
I still love you.
You can't be saying that.
You still love him. In my presence, you still love him.
You can't be saying that.
So this is who you are. Right? You don't even have single respect for me. You are standing before me telling him that you still love him.
Confidence.
It's okay.
Sir, I please, I didn't know she was married. If I knew she's married, I wouldn't have done anything. Please forgive me.
Mr. Man, I don't have any problem with you. Because she didn't tell you. I have no problem with you.
Confidence.
But is she you?
Please.
You.
Please delete my number. Delete my number. Please. I don't want to hear from you again. This is evil.
You better take her, please.
No, sir.
I don't want to ever see you in my house again.
Sir, no, please. She's your wife.
I don't want
she's
to
your
see
wife.
you
She's your wife. I'm going.
Come and carry your
no,
wife.
no, please.
I don't want to ever see you in my house again.
King, come back.
Thank you so much.
Please, I beg you, honey.
No. If you are coming back to my house, make sure that you are coming to pick your things.
What do I do?
Because if I see you near close to my gate, I will do it.
Honey. Hi. I've lost her. I love King. I love my husband. Honey, wait. Honey.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.